How to hide your post from Instagram? First of all, you'll have to open your Instagram from here and log into your account. Okay, so from here, you will have to click on this profile section just at the bottom right corner of your screen. Okay, so from here, you'll have to go with the three lines just at the top right corner of this screen. So simply tap on it, and simply from here, in the search field, you'll have to type limit interactions. Okay, limit interaction. Okay, so after you open the limit interaction settings from here, you can set the several settings from here. Like you can set the reminder from here, like when you have to turn on or turn off these settings. So simply you can choose a day or 1 week. So simply you can choose 1 day or 1 week, or similarly 2 3 days or 2 3 weeks. So simply make the settings from here. And after you make all of the settings from here, you will have to click on this turn on option. Okay, so I have successfully turned on the limits on Instagram posts. So likewise, you can also hide or limit your post from someone on Instagram. So hope this video was helpful to you. So if any queries are arises, just let me know them in comment section below. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.